How to activate sound on Waze app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, make sure that you have installed your Waze application and is updated. Open your application, then tap on the three-line icon at the top and head to the settings option. You have to select voice and sound. In the sound option, if it's off, tap on the on bubble. Select your Waze voice by tapping on it. You can add your own voice by tapping on the plus sign icon. Now you can record the pre-entered prompt given to you. And you can just select any of those and you have to repeat those process. Now, if you want to change the Waze voice, select any one from these options given to you. You can tap on it to review it if you want to, and select it if you really like it. Now once you are done from here, head back. Now make sure that the guidance volume is at the full, and toggle on the play sound to phone speaker option. Now the mute Waze during call is the option that is manageable by your choice. Now make sure that the audio play show on the map is also toggled on all times. Once you do this, you'll be able to activate sound on your Waze app. For some reason, still your Waze app does not activate sound, follow this step. Press and hold your Waze application, go to App Info, force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache. Clear up the cache. Then you have to open up your Play Store or App Store and check for your Waze application. In here, if there is an update bubble, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.